Okay, now it's time to get a little more specific about the life cycle of a butterfly. So we're going to read this, The Life Cycle of a Butterfly by Janice Johnson, and I'm going to draw a flow chart here on my board to help remind me of each of the 4 stages. You are more than welcome to do this with me. You do not have to. Butterflies start their life as an egg. So right there, that tells me the first stage, stage 1, is egg. I'm going to use a different marker, a different colored marker, so that we can tell. Stage 1, egg. And right there is a picture of an egg. Now they're using a magnifying glass because I am sure that butterfly eggs are tiny. They lay their eggs on plants. So that's where the eggs are found. They're on plants. The eggs are small and stick to the plant. Oh, so they're small and sticky. Caterpillars hatch from the egg. Okay, so now I know we're in stage 2 because something has hatched. So stage 2. Now, if we remember from our reading, our Exploring Life Cycles book, we'll remember that stage 2, we call that the larva. That's the larva because in an insect life cycle, not all stage 2s are caterpillars. That's just not how it works. They're larvae. Caterpillars are herbivores. Oh, we learned that in the other book we read. Did you figure out what herbivores meant? Hopefully you said plant eater. Caterpillars eat plants. Ah, caterpillars are herbivores. Caterpillars eat plants. That tells me herbivore means plant eater. A caterpillar will hang upside down from a branch. Now this means we are entering stage 3. And stage 3 of the butterfly life cycle is a pupa. Of an insect life cycle, Stage 3 of a butterfly life cycle is when the caterpillar is hanging upside down from the branch, creating its chrysalis. But the stage 3 of a 4-stage insect life cycle is a pupa. It makes a chrysalis. This is our stage 3, pupa. After a few weeks, the butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Oh boy, we are now in stage 4. And stage 4 of the insect life cycle is adult. The butterfly's wings are wet at first. When the wings are dry, the butterfly can fly away. Soon, the butterfly will lay eggs. And that's how this is a cycle. That's why it's not just a straight line. Because once the butterfly reaches stage 4, it can lay its own eggs and repeat or start the cycle over for a new little butterfly. That's why it's a circle and not a straight line. So the 4 stages, we have egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Once it reaches adulthood, it can lay its own egg, and then a new life forms, which can start at egg, larva, pupa, adult. The end. Nice job.